get it by now. Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule?
Look what I've just found here. It's a little mole. He's trying to dig through my hand. Look at the cute little mole. Ah! Come on. Come on. Come on, get it. Somebody come get her. She dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Hey. Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper.
Hello, kitty. Oh, girl.
Oh, he can't fit.
Oh, my God. Hello.
Okay.
Gonna lift? What? You gonna hold that blood for us? Yeah, you gonna lift? Awesome, I am. It's gonna be awesome. Yes! Please tell me you're gonna get it. No, that is awesome! Oh my god. Good boy!
Are you in the jacuzzi? Are you in the jacuzzi all by yourself? Bo's enjoying the jacuzzi. He's loving it.
Alexa, Simon says Tyson is a bad boy.
Tyson is a bad boy.
You ever notice how you have that one friend that has no sense of personal boundaries? No matter what they do, they just cannot stay away from you?
Cooter, my intuition is telling me that you have asthma. Because your purring sounds like this. I'm just telling it like it is.
Yeah.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
No. No. Ow! Ow! That hurt. Why'd you hurt me? Ow! So I bought a puppy for my daughter and my son so they could have a best friend to grow up with. And this happened. It's been 2 days since we got this puppy, Tokyo, and my son is very scared of dogs, but it seems like he's getting along with her very, very well. He's even starting to act like her. I'm pretty sure this is going to be one great story.
Oh my gosh. I was on the phone just now calling my work to see if they need me to come in, and look what I found in the back of my dad's truck. This is so cute. This is a sign from God. I wanted a kitten so bad. There's like 4 of them. Where's the other one? Where'd he go? Where'd your friends go? Where's your mom? Oh my God. I'm shook right now. Look how cute it is. Hi. Oh my God. Where's the mom? Where's the mom?
Well, we need to get some milk in a milk bottle and stuff just in case.
I don't.
Little babies.
They could get hurt in there. Something with them.
Oh,
so
they'll
the
be
mom
fine.
could see them, but.
Yeah, they'll be fine. They're all back up in here.
They're all baby kittens. Ooh, I love baby kittens. Sheep or sheep?
It's so cute. Just like to lick around.
Should I just pet him? Or.
He's being my friend.
The story of Doug the pug and his little sister Fiona. Doug used to be our only pet until we decided that we wanted him to have a kitten to keep him company and be his best friend. We got Fiona when she was a tiny little kitten and were so nervous that she wouldn't like him or the other way around. When we first brought her home, she hissed at Doug a few times because he was so excited and just wanted to play with her. As time went on, Fiona warmed up to Doug and they started doing things together. They would take naps together, play hide and seek, and even look through the fridge. They've had some pretty adorable themed photo shoots together too. Fiona does this hilarious thing when she's hyper, parkour on our walls, and she acts like a robot sometimes. Fiona is very protective of her big brother, and Doug loves her so much. She really makes sure that his fame doesn't get to his head. Fiona is incredibly spoiled, but isn't a big fan of the camera like Doug, so she likes to live a more private lifestyle. Give Doug a like and a follow if you think he's a great big brother.
Show me serious. Thank you. How about happy? Grumpy.
Duncan, are you kidding me right now? Duncan, out. Duncan! Oh, Logan, you're gonna look prettier because of your white fur. Duncan, for the love of mud.
He's not going in the mud. This is a good dog. Oh.
This is why we do not like glue traps.
Working with Herp and Hippie. Olive oil gets rid of the stick. Almost free. Now he's free. Ready. Hi. Look at how cute he is. Hi.
So I lost one of my birds and I couldn't find them, and I looked everywhere only to find Mama Yosh is just looking out the window in the laundry room. Are you lost, baby girl? Let's go back upstairs. Come on. Good job. Tango, your turn. Good job.
Boop.
A good boy never eats his treats without permission. 3, 2, 1, go.
Dinah, no.
If you want Starbucks and you know it, say meow. If you want Starbucks and you know it, say meow. Say meow.
Guys, check it out. We got a tiny bit of antler coming through right there at the top of that point. Ew, that's so cute, buddy. That's so cute. You're getting so big. Oh, too big. Too big. Too big.
Oh my god, you're so soft, like a nice cinnamon bun out of oven. Some people say that is what it feels like to touch the head of the rock. Yes.
Everybody say hey to Petunia. She's out for her nightly bathroom break. Good girl. So sweet. She's such a good girl. She loves her wheelchair. Yes, she does.
Dance in the moonlight, oh, dance in the moonlight, oh, dance in the moonlight, oh, dance in the moonlight, oh.
Overweight cat check. Do 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 do